Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beige. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below before you leave. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this wig that was sent to me from Geniuswigs. I will have all of their information, the promo codes, and direct links down below in the description box. So the wig that I received is a 16-inch YAKI textured 360 wig. And this wig was created using the new crystal lace from Geniuswigs. The wig comes with 4 combs, an adjustable strap, and a removable elastic band. The hairline is pre-plucked and also bleached for you, so no extra work is needed on your end. So let's test out this new crystal lace. Grabbing a sample piece of transparent lace, I'm going to spray Got2b Ultra Glue Gel and blow dry it until it's tacky and then apply that lace to my hand. Next, I'll be grabbing the new crystal lace from Geniuswigs, applying that to the right side of my hand. Crystal lace completely melts into any skin tone and complexion. I'm going to leave it up to you though. Comment down below in the comment section which lace would you prefer. The lace on the left, which is the normal transparent lace, or the new upgraded crystal lace on the right from Geniuswigs. Let's chat down below. Okay, so a huge part of making your 360 wigs look natural is to get rid of that adjustable strap in the back. Not only can you not fully bleach the wig in the back because there is an adjustable strap blocking you from bleaching it, but it is also extremely hard to make your wig look natural because no one has that unnatural looking band in the back of their natural hair, obviously. So you would have to get rid of that and fully pluck the back portion of the wig and fully bleach the back portion of the wig so that it can look identical to the front portion of the wig. You want the front hairline and the back hairline to look as natural as possible and to be identical to someone's actual head. So I'm going to have to remove that adjustable strap and that comb in the back. And to do that, I'll be using a seam ripper. The goal is to get rid of the entire adjustable strap. So if you have the extra time, make sure you remove the entire thing. I only removed the middle portion of it, but of course, take the extra step to remove the entire full adjustable strap if you can. Now that that middle portion of the adjustable strap is removed, you can see that the knots were not bleached underneath it. So I'm going to have to go ahead and bleach that bar that used to be the adjustable strap so that all of the knots in the back are bleached so that it can look like a frontal back there. And here are the results from doing that. Speaking of the frontal, I am now going to remove some of that extra density from the hairline. I want this 360 to look as natural as possible, so taking this extra step is going to make a huge difference in the final install. To do that, I'll be doing the Beige method of zigzag plucking and parting. Of course, whatever we do to the front hairline, we have to do to the back, so I'm going to take this time and pluck away some density from the front hairline and then do the same thing to the back. And here is how the hairline looks after plucking, and here is the amount of parting space that you get. And here is what I was talking about earlier. When you remove the entire adjustable strap, you will not see this peeking through the back hairline. And of course, that does not look natural. So if you have that extra time, it is highly recommended that you remove the entire adjustable strap from the back so that you won't see that through your wig. So now it is time to tint the lace. Grabbing a lace tint that is the color of my foundation, I'm going to spray that along the entire 360 perimeter of the wig. Next, I'll be grabbing one that is the color of my scalp and spraying that in the inner portion of the frontal. I'm going to do 2 layers of each and then blow dry in between each layer of lace tint. Moving on to prepping the baby hairs. Grabbing my comb, I'm just going to map out the amount of baby hairs that I want in the back area of the wig, and then I'll be using an eyebrow razor to shave them down. This is always optional. You do not have to have baby hairs on your wig at all. And you definitely don't have to have as much baby hairs as I am taking out. And of course, you do not have to make your baby hairs as long as I chose to do on this wig either. I'm just going to map out the amount of baby hairs that I want, and then I'm going to use my flat iron to curl it. Grabbing rollers, I'm going to roll those baby hairs so that they can be out of the way during styling and also to help keep their form and shape. It's now time for styling. I'm going to grab Silk Therapy from BioSilk, apply that to the hair, and then in small sections, I'm just going to flat iron through this hair. Look how natural this looks, y'all. Look at the texture and the density. I'm obsessed with it. It is now time to cut away that extra lace. Grabbing a pair of scissors, I'm going to carefully cut along the hairline, following the natural curvature of the frontal. I'm going to do this to the front and back portion of the wig, not cutting into the hair, but cutting right in front of the hairline. Alright, so now it's time to install the wig. To prep my skin, I'll be grabbing alcohol and applying that to my forehead. Next, I'll be grabbing scalp protector and applying that to my scalp. Grabbing Eben's Wonder Lace Bond, I'm going to spray a thin layer of that to the hairline and then blow dry. Grabbing the wig, I'm just going to place it on my head in its proper placement and then use my fingertips to press the lace into my skin. Putting my headscarf on for about 15 minutes, I'm going to allow it to set. I did do some baby hairs off camera. The wig was a little small for my head, so because of that, I had to put heavy baby hairs on the left and right sides of the wig, but here are the results of that. I'm just going to do some styling and I'll show you guys the finished look in a second. The same way that I installed the front portion of the wig is the same way that I will be installing the back portion of the wig. So I'm going to spray that Wonder Lace Bond to the lace and my hair, blow dry it for a few seconds, and then press the lace into my skin. And here is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them down below in the comment section. I will have all of the information, the promo codes, and direct links to the wig worn in this video down below in the description box. I did have fun with this wig. I did create a few hairstyles, and of course, there is this one heart-shaped hairstyle that has been trending all over the internet, and I did try to do that with this wig. So if you keep watching, you will see that hairstyle as well. I did have fun with it. I think that this is a very natural looking wig, from the density to the texture. I think that this is definitely something that you should try. However, I do suggest that you measure your head first before ordering this wig. It is a 360 wig, so you want to make sure that it completely covers the entire perimeter of your head so that it can be a flawless melt and a flawless install. If it's too small for your head, then your hair will be peeking through and you will have a complete disaster. You will have to have heavy baby hairs to cover that up. So keep that in mind when you are ordering. Just compare your head measurements to the measurements of the wigs on their website just to make sure that you are getting the proper size. Let's chat about this wig down below in the comment section. And if you're new here, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe down below as well. I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye, guys. Ojai. Yeah, that's right. It's Beige Ojai.